Alright guys, today morning what I update in my Telegram channel, here I can see Bank Nifty looking for buy. So today we was looking for buy. Let me explain why we are focusing on a buy side today. And first, let me show you here according to the daily time frame. This one daily time frame Bank Nifty price are creating higher high and the higher high. And the lower low, or you can say higher high, higher low at the higher low. So comparatively here, so that is why we was looking for buy. So where exactly we have seen some buy opportunity. So first, let me explain here. So first, the price opens somewhere here, and from a bullish candle, we bought somewhere. Price goes up near 0.5 standard deviation line, but price dropped. So we are expecting the price will continue toward the upside, but finally hit our SL. So we maintain 80-point SL, and finally in this candle, yeah, somewhere there, I just hit my SL. So that was my first SL. Because first we got some profit from this area to this level in this area, but I didn't book my profit. That finally hit my SL. So later on here you can see we have seen some buy opportunity and we booked the profit. So let me explain why this level is most important. So first here, so this is a strong demand zone somewhere here. This is the demand zone first, and the next the demand zone are somewhere in this area. So this is the demand zone. So price pull back to this level, and form a bullish candle, and we enter here and we book the profit. So whatever we lost somewhere, we recover all the way, and we are profitable somewhere here. So I'm not interested to take any sell side because of this price action method. Here you can see price drop drastically from this level, but we are not able to enter here in a selling side because we was bullish. So once we determine in a specific level or specific direction, so we are waiting for the opportunity. So same here, and we entered here after forming this bullish candle, hit my SL and pull back. Again we enter, but we missed that rally because we was bullish today. So finally we got the opportunity and goes up. So here let me show you. I enter here in this candle after forming, and my SL was somewhere in this area, 80 point somewhere here. I can see my SL was some in this area. So this candle hit my SL. So I lost 80 points. All right. Just a minute. Okay. All right. Just okay. Okay. That was my 80 point hit my SL. So what I lost here? 80 point. All right. Next, my trade opportunity after breaking this level. So somewhere here. Okay, let me show you here what was my profit. So I entered here and we booked somewhere here 250 point. 250 point. All right. So net we got, you can see here, 250 minus 80. 170 points. So we catch 170 point net profit somewhere here. All right. What I told, I was looking for buy only. So first buy somewhere there and hit my SL, but I am not able to catch this move. All right, so hit my 80-point SL, and the next we enter here. Now we catch 250, and the net 170 point. We catch this area. So let me explain for this tomorrow what we are going to take position. So first, let me show you what price action method are telling us. So here you can see, according to this one, lower high and lower low. All right. Now what they are forming? Now according to the price action method, they are creating lower low, lower low. All right. So here you can see price. Just a minute. Price goes up, pull back, goes up, pull back, goes up, and a pull back, and right now somewhere there. So according to the price action method, it's forming like goes up, pull back, goes like pull back, and then like that. This type of pattern are forming right now. All right. Okay, let me show you. This type of pattern are forming. Have you seen? Okay, this higher point, and then this higher point, and then this higher point, and then this higher point, this higher point, this lower point, this lower point, this lower high, and then this lower low, and then this lower low. Finally, close somewhere there. So it's forming this type of pattern. All right. So means we are looking for short tomorrow. All right. So in which direction we will trade tomorrow? We are looking for short. Okay, remember, here I can see, if price open below this level around 4285, 2385, okay, 24385. If price open above this area, so definitely we'll go for buy. But remember, if price open below this level, we are looking for short only. What I told. So let me explain again. If price open somewhere there, we are looking for short only. Open somewhere there, we are looking for short only. Open somewhere there, we are looking for short only. Below 42385, that level. All right, if price open. If price open above this level, we are looking for buy above this level. Remember. So let me show you. So if price open below this level, so what area we need? We need a supply zone. Let me show you. Where is the supply zone? Okay, let me go to here. Daily time frame. First, let me zoom a little bit. Let me zoom a little bit. Okay, let me draw a higher point, horizontal line above this line. Okay, let me make it a little bit thicker. Let me change the color, red color. Okay, perfect. Now go to 15-minute time frame. Zoom a little bit. So means if, okay, suppose price open somewhere there. This is the high point, and the price somewhere here, open here, and from any bearish candle, we are looking for short. Open somewhere here, we are looking for short. Open somewhere here, we are looking for short. But if price not able to break this zone, this is the demand zone. Have you seen? Price pull back and push up, and the price pull back and push up from this area. So means some are waiting here. If price pull back this area, they are looking for buy. But in between this area, price open anywhere, we are looking for short. But if price pull back to this level, we'll close our position. So we'll focus on a buy side. If price break this level, so definitely we'll go for short. For the buy, so this is the most important line. So if price open above this area, we buy to this level, and we will looking for short near this supply zone. All right. So why most important this supply zone? So let me show you here. Have you seen it here? Price hit and reverse back. Some people are waiting somewhere area. Once price goes to this level and pull back. Again, some people are waiting somewhere here. If price hit this level and pull back again. Again, here you can see some people are waiting here. If price hit this level and shorted here. So if price goes somewhere there, so definitely we will short somewhere there. It is a probability to pull back in this area. All right. Again, here you can see some people are here, waiting here. If price hit this level, push up. Some people are waiting here. If price hit this level and push up. Some people are here and price hit this level and push up. Some people are here if price hit this level and push up again. So if tomorrow price pull back to this level, so this is our buy opportunity. All right, so it's a probability to pull back to this level. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving our valuable time.